Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Regan. Once again, welcome to Easy Elimu, where our learning is simplified. We are continuing with our simplification of concepts for your better understanding. So in our today's session, we are going to discuss addition of fractions. Once again, allow me to take you back to grade 4, where you discussed how to add fractions. However, in grade 4, if you are keen enough, you realize that you are only adding fractions with common denominators. Or in other words, the fractions that you are adding, all of them had the same denominator. For example, in grade 4, if you had a fraction like, say, 1 over b plus 2 over b. In this case, the denominator is the same. It is b. If that is the scenario, then during that time, all you are expected to do is to add the numerators. Then you retain the denominator the way it is, such that you'll get 3 over b. That is something that you did in grade 4. So you could also be given an example like 2 over 5 add 1 over 5. So if the denominator is common, or rather the same, all you need to do is to add the numerators, that is 2 plus 1, then you retain the denominator. Then here you'll get 3 over 5. Not always will you given the fractions with common denominators, especially in grade 7 going onwards. So write, when adding fractions with uncommon or different denominators, we must first solve for the LCM of the denominators. In other, you are giving the fractions a common denominator. Then from that juncture, you apply the same method you are applying in grade 4 to add fractions. Example. Let's start with a very simple example. So you can be given something like 3 over 5 add 1 over 4. It is wrong, pay attention, it is wrong for you to do something like this. 3 plus 1 over 5 plus 4, then you are getting something like 4 over 9. This is very wrong. So in a situation like this, that is very wrong. In a situation like this, whereby the denominators of your fractions are no longer common, you must solve the LCM of the denominators. So solution here, solve for LCM, where we have 5 and 4. So here we have 2, 5, 2, 2, 5, 1, 5, 1, 1. Therefore, our LCM is equal to 2 squared times 5. That is 4 times 5, which gives us 20. Hence, that becomes our common denominator. That therefore becomes our common denominators. So we have 5. We divide the common denominator by the denominator of each of the fractions. Then we multiply the quotient by the numerator of each of the fractions before you write it here. So 20, let me explain what I'm going to do here. 20, which is the LCM, divide by 5, then add the numerator. Allow me to use this parenthesis, plus 20 divide by 4, then you add 1. This will give us 20 divided by 5, that is 4, plus 3, that is 7, plus 20 divided by 4, that is 5, plus 1, that is 6 over 20. So if you do that, you'll get 13 over 20. Are we together? Good. Another example. Roman 2, you can be given, remember I said at the beginning that a fraction can be A over B, or it can be a mixed number where you have A over B, where this is a whole number and this is the fractional part. So you can be given something like 3, 4 over 5 plus 2, 1 over 2. 3, 4 over 5 plus 2, 1 over 2. So solution. So here we have two methods. The first method, you can convert the mixed number fraction into improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction whereby the numerator is greater than the denominator. Then you go ahead and do it the same way. Alternatively, you can add the whole number part separately, the fractional part separately, then you sum up the two answers eventually. For example, let me use the first instance whereby we are converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So here we shall have 3 times 5 add 4 over 5 plus 2 times 2 add 1 over 2. I'm just showing you how we are converting this into improper fraction. So we shall have 5 by 3, that is 15, add 4, that is 19 over 5, plus 4 by 2, 4 plus 1, that is 5 over 2. Looking at our fractions, they are improper. Why? The numerator is now greater than the denominator. Then from that juncture, we continue and get the LCM. We solve the LCM. Solve the LCM. So the LCM of 2 and 5, that is, for me I can see it is 10, but for your sake, let us just do it. 5, 2. So 2 here, we retain 5, 1. 5 here, we retain that. So the LCM is 2 times 5, that is 10. So our common denominator becomes 10. 5 into 10, 2 times 2 by 19, that is 38, plus 2 into 5, in 10 rather, 5 times 5 by 5, that is 25. So if you add 38 by 25, you will get 63 over 10. Yeah, you get 63 over 10. This is improper. You can never leave your answer like this. Remember I said normally a fractional number is given in simplified form. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, then you'll end up with a mixed number. So in this case, we shall divide this 63 divided by 10, that is 6 times remainder 3 over 10. So this answer is right. Whoever gives the answer like this, that is wrong. Method 2, whereby we add the whole number separately and add the fractional part separately. So, or we can say 3, 4 over 5 plus 2.5 is equal to 3 plus 2 bracket plus 4 over 5 plus a half. So in the first bracket we shall get 5 whole plus the LCM of 2 and 5, we got it here, is 10. So 5 into 10, 2 times 2 times 4, that is 8. Plus 2 into 5, 5 times 1, that is 5. So we are getting 5 whole add 13 over 10. But the fractional part is actually improper. That implies when we write it in mixed fraction, we shall have 5 plus 1 and 1 remainder 3 over 10. So this is whole number and this is whole number. So they will sum up such that we'll have 5 plus 1 plus 3 over 10. That will give you 6 and 3 over 10. So you can see, using this other method, you are still ending up with the same answer. Any question up to that point? If you don't have any question, kindly take down this. Take down this. So once you have mastered the concept is solving the LCM, so you can have the following questions. Solve Roman 1. Roman 1, you can have a question like 40, 2 over 3 plus 40, 2 over 3 plus 33, 7 over 12, 33, 7 over 12 plus 55 and a half, 55 and a half. Roman 2, you can have 5 over 12 plus 1 over 4 plus 7 over 48. That was number 1. Number 2, you can have a question like Peter read a quarter of his storybook. Peter read a quarter of his storybook on Monday and a third on Tuesday. What fraction of the book did he read in 2 days? In 2 days. So Peter here read a quarter of his book on Monday and a third on Tuesday. What fraction of the book did he read in 2 days? Kindly go out of your way and get many more other word problem questions regarding addition of fraction for your own good. Otherwise, that marks the end of our discussion on the addition of fractions. I wish you all the best and have a great afternoon.